So to start our project, I conducted a literature review looking at recurrent miscarriage and infertility, and what I found was that there were very few studies looking at that dual experience, and that women and men with recurrent miscarriage and infertility were overlooked in studies that examined investigations and treatment in this field. I also found that there was only one qualitative study in all of the literature that captured the lived experience of these women and men. I then conducted a large cohort study using women who had attended Cork University Maternity Hospital. So I looked at 748 women with that experience, and what we found was that maternal age and fertility status were associated with lower live birth rates, but also smoking and parental genetics were associated with future pregnancy outcomes as well. In conjunction with other healthcare professionals, developed the new national guideline on recurrent miscarriage, and hopefully this will lead to higher standards of care for women experiencing recurrent miscarriage in Ireland. So using the key performance indicators that we developed in the recurrence study, I conducted a local audit here in Cork University Maternity Hospital, as well as a national service evaluation to see how recurrent miscarriage care was delivered when there was a dual diagnosis of fertility, and these results would hopefully be used to be able to improve the standards of care both locally and nationally. With one of our medical students here in UCC, I conducted a review of Irish and UK websites that were providing miscarriage and recurrent miscarriage information, with a view to highlighting how poor this information provision is, and hopefully to improve how we inform women about pregnancy loss. My last project that I am currently undertaking is qualitative research with both healthcare professionals and women and men with lived experience of recurrent miscarriage and infertility. And my hope here is to identify how care is being delivered across the country, but also to identify areas for service improvement. The overall aim, thus, of my project is to identify areas where we can improve care for women and men who are experiencing recurrent miscarriage and infertility, but particularly with the development of the new fertility hubs around the country, that there will be an opportunity to increase resources and also the services such as counselling that are available to those attending the new hubs, and that there will be an identification of the need to incorporate bereavement care wherever fertility care is provided also.